Was ist da so passiert?
We're all
Oder was
incredibly
passiert mit
hungry.
anderen?
These are for y'all. Baked fresh this morning.
Wow.
Amazing.
Can't get stuff like that anymore. Not without a cow for milk and butter, that's for sure.
That's right.
Herrlich.
Hopefully Maybelle will make it through this bout of whatever she's got and be with us for a good long while.
Your cow is sick? What's she?
We have a vet. We could bring her here. We can help you folks out.
A vet? Oh, my,
Was is a vet?
our prayers have been answered.
Maybe our whole group could come. For the day.
Well, how about this? Y'all go get your veterinary friend and I'll prepare some dinner. A big feast for all you hungry souls. It'd be nice to have some folks to help out around here again. Danny, why don't you come help me out in the kitchen?
Alright.
Why don't I head back with the food and round up everyone for the trip over here?
Might want to take someone with you. Remember, those roads can be dangerous.
Neem even
I
niet.
can handle myself.
Take this. Why don't you go ahead and take Ben along anyway?
Take
Aber
care of yourself.
Banditen.
See you in a while.
Ihr zwei.
Mark, Lee, why don't you take a look around? Once you get settled in, I could use some help securing the perimeter.
Is there a problem?
Sometimes the dead get tangled up in the fence before they fry and end up knocking over a post. It'd be a big help if you could walk the perimeter. You can learn a little something about our fence. I'm gonna go top off the generators before they run dry.
Okay.
Come get me when you're ready.
You betcha.
Also, wir
This
gehen jetzt
place
noch
is
helfen.
incredible. It's got food. And that fence? Oh man. that
Oh yeah,
fence.
das ist
If we play
wirklich
our
geil.
cards right, this might turn out to be a place we can stay. So how do you want to play this?
Wir sollten alles machen, dass wir helfen können, weil let's make sure the place is safe. Wir helfen einander und machen den sicher,
They're
oder?
offering us food. We should do whatever we can to make these people like us.
The way Brenda was talking, I get the feeling like she'd be happy to have us stay.
All the more reason for us not to fuck this up.
Yep.
If Andy needs some help securing the perimeter, then that's what we do.
Auf jeden Fall. Also eben, wir helfen ihm jetzt so ein bisschen, ich glaube, ich habe es so verstanden, wir laufen einfach den Hag ab und so und schauen, ob da alles gut ist, würde ich sagen. Oder? Genial, hey. Unendlich zu essen, weil du dich selber kannst versorgen.
Too bad it's broken. I'll bet Clementine and Duck would have loved something like this to play on.
Ja, das können wir
Kids
dann
used to like that
reparieren.
old swing even more than the tour sometimes.
I'll bet. Mind if I fix it?
Sure,
Ich
that'd be
spiele das.
great. Mama sure does appreciate y'all helping out.
Looks like it just needs a new board for the seat, some rope, make it safe for Clem and Duck, and let the St. Johns know we can pull our weight around here.
Ja, voll. Es wäre nicht schlecht, wenn wir zuerst um Erlaubnis fragen, hä? Also, jetzt mal schauen, was wir nachher machen. Ich hoffe, die Zombies lassen uns jetzt einfach mal für den Moment in Ruhe. Ja, red mal mit dem, was du sonst noch zu sagen hast. So.
So what's your read on Andy so far? Think they'd be open to letting us stay?
Ich
Try to
sag
get back to it.
noch nichts, ich habe noch nichts gesehen und gehört und geredet. Ja, schau mal das Hägli an da.
Pointy.
Was ist da los?
This is too big right now, but if I can find something to cut it down to size, this might make a good seat for the swing.
Ah, ich bastle jetzt einfach wirklich nur... Okay, ja, aber ich frage jetzt zuerst um Erlaubnis da. Gell?
Hi.
Nein.
Hi. Well, I'm glad you guys decided to help us out.
Ja,
I
sicher.
noticed back at the motel that you folks are pretty well armed. You've been stockpiling, huh?
Ja, sozusagen. Wir könnten helfen, da das alles
Yeah, if you
beschützen.
need some extra people to protect the dairy, you can count on us.
Well, hopefully it'll never come to that, but thanks.
Ja, glaub mir, früher oder später. Sind wir die ersten
We can't
Gäste?
be the first people you've invited up to the dairy.
Well, no, we've made similar deals with other folks, trading for gas and food.
Right.
Ultimately, they moved on, looking for the people they lost contact with.
Right. Und eben, der Hag, der tut die Walkers wirklich
An
aufhalten.
electric fence is enough to keep out walkers?
Walkers? Is that what you call them? That's good. The old one wouldn't have, but Mac, he was our foreman. He figured out how to amp it up with the generators. We used to sit out here some nights and watch the sons of bitches sizzle and pop when they got too close. Closest thing to entertainment these days, I guess.
These generators are enough to power the whole dairy?
We got lots, and we got to keep trading for fuel as much as we can, but they all work together to do the trick. Like us.
Ja, müssen wir dort vorne einen Vorposten haben. Also kann man mal
Mark and
dort
I can help you with that perimeter now.
Perimeter fixen.
Oh, good. The fence will stop a walker in about 3 or 4 seconds, but it gets overloaded if we leave the husks out there.
You know,
Right.
Mark and I can clear the fence ourselves if you want to stay here and finish up with the generators.
Well, that'd be great. I'll turn off the northwest section, and if you guys could strip them off and look for any weak points, well, that'd be a big help.
Sounds easy enough.
Stay attentive.
Aber ich will noch eigentlich wegen der Schaukel fragen für Clementine. Habe ich es jetzt verkackt? Nein. Hoffentlich komme ich nochmal zurück und kann das noch bauen.
Do you think we're doing enough to get the St. John's to like us?
Well, we don't want to seem over-anxious. Showing them we can handle this fence is going to go a long way.
I can't wait until everyone's out here. Everyone besides Larry.
Why the hell did you have to tell him I thought he was a racist?
Ja,
As
voll.
if tensions weren't high enough.
Sorry, man. It popped out. I mean, you did admit it right to his face.
Ja, ich
I
probiere
try to
immer
be civil at
zivilisiert zu
least.
sein.
He's too busy being cranky to notice.
Ja, voll.
There's one. Ugh.
Und jetzt?
Lee, it's dead.
Come on, let's push it off.
Aber das
Andy
ist doch...
said when this fence is working, the walkers go up like a tree branch on a power line.
Ah,
If
aber es
those
ist
lights
einfach
are
nicht.
out, that means the fence is off, right?
It better be.
Oh ja, it better be. Oh, nein, take the arrow, take the arrow.
Looks like he's stuck.
Von wo ist der Arrow gekommen? Von hinten.
Disgusting.
Aha.
Come on. I'm sure there's still a few more.
Once this fence is patched up, this place will be a fortress. God, can you imagine not having to worry about the walkers anymore?
Ja, es ist nutzlos ohne
Yeah, well,
Benzin.
it's useless without gas. We might need food, but the St. John's need gas, too.
Not many drivers these days, Lee. We could scrounge up a year's worth of gas, easy.
Ambivalence.
So what's your take on the brothers? They seem to have this place tied down pretty well.
We've got enough people to take this place by force if we have to.
Ja, voll.
Sheesh, Lee. You sound like Kenny.
There's another one.
I see it.
Also ich habe das Gefühl, jetzt passiert dann gerade wieder etwas. Ja, lass los.
You never get used to the smell, do you?
Nope.
Schlimm.
Christ. I can't stop thinking about dinner.
Oh, wow.
Thanks for the rations earlier. It's not easy eating in front of the kids, but it's all that's keeping me on my feet right now.
Ja, ist schon gut. Und ich habe auch Hunger.
I'm hungry too, Mark.
Do you think they're gonna be good for it? Dinner for a whole group of people?
If they've got as much food as they say, I think so.
Vielleicht sind sie nur Räuber und wollen uns jetzt ausrauben
Come on,
und selber
I think I
essen.
see where they're getting in. This one must have knocked it over trying to get through. He's
wow.
tangled up in there pretty good. Come on, help me get this thing back in place so we can get Mr. Crispy off of here.
Think we'd get better leverage from the other side.
Good idea.
Nein, ist keine gute Idee, Alter.
Little help here, Lee?
Wenn jetzt nachher der Hag angeht und der ist draussen, weisst du, übel. Cool, okay.
Holy fuck!
Oh.
What just happened?
The fences are on.
Why the hell would he turn the fence on? He knows we're out here.
Oh, wow. Oh, shit.
What the?
Was ist los? Shit, was ist los? Was ist los? Wer ist das?
Who the fuck is that?
No idea.
Hä?
Now what?
With the fence on that gate, it's our only way out.
Ja, los, schieben, schieben, schieben. Bleib hinter dran. Geht's nicht? Was ist los? Wo sind sie? Was ist los? Was ist los, Mann? Wer ist? Wer ist?
We don't mean you any harm, goddammit!
Push Tractor, los! Muss ich hier irgendetwas lösen? Weil da sehe ich nichts zum Lösen. Oh ja, da Anhänger lösen, los. Au, 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 au. Damn. Was? Sie haben schon einen bekommen, was für einen? Nein, was geht noch nicht, was geht noch nicht?
Something's still blocking it.
Was ist los denn? Da gibt's nichts mehr zu tun. Ich sehe ihn. Da.
No fuel. Of course.
Aha, ja, das ist doch gleich. Schieben einfach. Schieben. Was soll ich machen, Leute?
Shit, something's still blocking it.
Was denn? Ich sehe nichts. Da unten ist alles cool. Ah, fuck, er hat voll den Pfeilenbruch. Ah, ich Idiot. Riesidiot.
Come on. If
Come
we
on.
can reach the gate, we can get through this fence and back to the house.
Shit, that hurts.
Oh, shit. I will get one of you. Er hat schon einen bekommen. Hat es noch einen Brüder gehabt? Oh shit, nein!
What happened? Shit. It's one of the dead we pushed down earlier. Gonna have to move it.
Oh nein! Wenn er jetzt wieder aufwacht, ey. Ah. Komm on, stay behind me. Oh, komm näher! Nein! Gibt's doch nicht!
Who won? How many of those things did we push down?
Oh man! Oh, oh. Wie viel Pfeil haben sie? Shit, 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 shit. Ich hab gewusst, ich hab gewusst. Nein. Nochmal. Kick ihn nochmal. Nein, nein, nein. Oh. Oh Gott.
You okay?
Yeah. Barely.
Come on.
Boah. Nein, nein, nein. Achtung, er kommt hinten dran. Er kommt hinten. Achtung. Lee. Lee. Nein. 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 Ich bin besser geworden. Fuck. Okay, jetzt muss ich
Who
ganz
won?
da
How
weiter.
many of those things did we push down?
Oh shit. Nochmal, okay, jetzt weiss ich, was passiert. Sohn von einem Zombie, du Grusel. Kick him, kick him. Nochmal. Nochmal. Oh nein, du wirst zerteilt. Rühren weg. Rühren doch ins Kabel liegen.
You okay?
Jetzt schnell, er kommt wieder. Aber da sehen sie mit dem Pfeil. Schnell. Schnell. Ja, und jetzt? Yes.
Let's get out of here.
Let's go. Ja. Oh wow. Der hat immer noch den Pfeil im Rücken.
Lee, what's wrong?
Das elektrische Ding ist angegangen.
Some people started attacking from the woods, and we got trapped between them and the fence.
Holy shit, are you okay?
I heard Mark yelling. Thought y'all were giving me the all clear.
What?
Man, I am real sorry.
Oh, my lord! What happened to you, sweetheart?
It was those
Aha, okay,
bastards in the
Schweizerdeutsch.
woods, Mama.
Yeah, I'll be alright once it's out, but god damn, it hurts.
Oh, wow.
Hey, y'all.
Mark, oh my god, what
Hey.
happened?
He got shot with
Hey,
an arrow.
folks.
Christ, are you gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I should just pull it out.
Oh, no, honey. Come on. Brenda's got it. Come on inside now.
Oh,
We'll
sie ist
have it
so
all
das
sorted
herziges
out.
Mamali, hä?
Well, you must be the
What
veterinarian.
kind of shit is this?
Oh,
We ran into some people on
Larry.
the way up here. Bandits, I guess. I think it was them that attacked us.
They gave us a lot of problems in the beginning, killed a bunch of our farmhands.
Oh, wow.
We were able to get them to stop by making a deal.
You knew about these people?
Food for protection. Not like we had
Oh,
much of a choice,
wow.
but they did stop hassling us.
God damn it. Carly said this place was locked down tight.
It is das... Shit, jetzt hab ich nichts gesagt! Es geht so
Jesus,
schnell.
Lee, say something.
Ja, sorry.
Listen, we may have had an agreement with those people, but we will not stand for this shit.
Ain't no way we're gonna let those sons of bitches get away with this.
You know where these assholes are?
They're hard to pin down, but I think I know where at least one of their camps are.
Okay.
When you're ready to go scope out that bandit camp, come find us.
Alright.